The market follows our plan almost perfectly, and we enter a trade. This is Invest with Jacob. So if you watched yesterday's video, we expected the market to open higher to complete wave A before pulling down towards 4200 in wave B and then climbing up out of there in wave C. The market delivered an almost perfect game on this. We'll get into that in just 1 second. But first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob. And I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, guys. So the market opened at its high at 42.36, just under our 42.40 target, but it was close enough before pulling back in wave B to 42.08. At that point, we entered our trade, and we bounced up out of there in C towards 42.34, and then traded sideways, closing at 42.27. This allowed us to have a good start to our trade, up about 12% at the close. From here, we're basically watching which path the market is going to take. There's our original trading plan, which had us buying at wave B's bottom and then trading up to 43.60 in wave C. However, because we were just short of our 42.40 target up top and just short of our 42.05 target at the bottom, it condenses the waves, which causes a lower target. So now we're targeting 43.25 to 43.35. There are two alternate paths that we could take higher, and they're best illustrated on the chart. So let's jump in and take a look. Okay, guys, here we are on the 5-minute SPX chart. And you can see that we topped today. We opened at the high at 42.36, pulled straight down in B, and then bounced up out of here in our wave C. Now, I explained our main trading plan, which is that this will move higher up to 43.25. However, there are two other paths that we can take a look at. So the first path is an alternate higher path. Okay, so what that means is that wave A is not done. That means that this was wave A of A. This pullback here, okay, is wave B of A, and then the move up is going to be wave C of A, targeting 42.75. Now, if it targets 42.75, we will have a wave B pullback off of that down towards about 42.25 before exploding up in C towards 43.60 plus at that point. The other path is a path lower and then higher. So in that path, all of wave A is done here, but this move down is only wave A of wave B. Okay, so we have wave A down to here, wave B of B up to the high, yes, up to this high here, and then wave C of B, completing wave B, would take us down to 4200 down in this region here. If that happens, we're expecting the C wave to bounce up out of here and target 4360 at that point. So whichever path we take, eventually we are going up, so we're okay with it. And even on the down path, we're targeting 4200. And remember, we bought in at around 42.8, 42.10, depending on when you got in. So we're only taking about 10 points of heat there, which is not a big deal in this long-term trade that we're in. So those are the three main paths, and I know it's pretty complicated. So if you want to get real-time market updates from me, you need to get in my Facebook group. There's a link down in the description. The only requirement to get in that group is that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So hit that subscribe button. Okay, get in my Facebook group, and in there you'll find a link to Slack. Slack is just a free chat channel where I give you real-time market updates and let you know where I expect the market to go, how our trade is going, what we are buying, what we are selling, and exactly when we enter and exit the market. All right, guys, so key takeaways for today. We are going to watch the open. If they take it higher tomorrow, we're going to look to see if they are going to complete a higher wave A at 42.75 or follow our original trading plan up to 43.25 over the next couple of days to weeks. If they open it lower, then we're looking for C of B down to complete wave B towards 4200, and then a bounce from there up in C towards 4360 plus. Okay, guys, that is the update for today. Happy trading. I will talk to you tomorrow.